Okay, I just ran through some test stitches. I think she's good to go. Now, a question I have is, how many threads per inch is this in the longest setting? I'm getting 8 threads per inch. I probably should also verify width. I think I had everything centered. I have a photo. If I probably won't edit the video, but if I do, you'll see a photo on the Facebook post. Oh no, what I'll do is I'll put the photo as the thumbnail. So basically I put a steel rule down, and it was about 18 divisions, and then I just made sure I centered on the 9th. So, straight stitch, pretty much all these stitches to the right are on this machine. So all the stitches, I kind of just randomly went through a range of widths and lengths, and there's nothing really ordered to it. I'm kind of like, I went through everything on this machine. I still have a stiff section. I don't know what the deal is. As I rotate, there's still like a stiff section. I'm not sure if it's that, this here, that was one of the last stiff parts I found, or if there's something up in here further, but it seems almost randomly. It's kind of odd where it's not consistently. But maybe it is on one of the strokes. I'll have to watch. There could be on a stroke, but anyways, the stitches look great. I did start off with my tension on the upper. Wasn't so great, and you can see that white thread pulling through, and that's kind of goes, well, yeah, that goes away on the triple zigzag. I forget what it's called. I think I increased the tension on this stitch. Might not. I kind of forget. Mainly is I'm not worried about the tension. Mainly, I'm wondering about what the threads per on the backside. You can see the purple a lot better. What the threads per inch is for the straight stitch, and that'll give me an idea of what the stitch length is. So I'll ask that, and otherwise, I think I'm good. I think this one's ready. I let it soak a little more. I think I rushed into this machine a little quicker for as stuck as it was. But this is interesting. This is my first where I actually disassembled a part of the machine to clean. I haven't done that yet. Much, at least, other than the shuttle and the race area down there, the bobbin cases, bobbins and whatnot. I haven't really gotten into the needle bar, and I really should I'll probably remove, I think I'm going to plan to remove the presser bar also and clean that up, just to get rid of that rust. It seems to be wiping off, but yeah, she's looking a lot better. That needle bar, presser bar though can be a little clean more. I'm a little worried too where that presser bar, because I oiled pretty heavily at first until I wiped down again and do sewing machine oil. Technically, I haven't yet, other than the Vikings with the Tri-Flow, but that Lily White oil I do have. I have that zoom up. But you can kind of see there's that casting where that oil could roll down and get on there, so it's best. I'll wind up disassembling the foots and the thread cutter. I think that should pop off, I hope at least. And then this should all slide out. The presser bar, I'll clean that up real good. So, other than that, I guess I could test the cams out, but it seems like all these, seems like turn best when it's straight stitch, but I think this is all set correct from what I can tell. So, she's a heavy machine, she's heavy duty, so she seems pretty impressive so far. Another one of those, wow, amazing, don't even have to do much to get her going once she's unstuck. So, thread tensioning, that's about it. And again, it'd be kind of a center midpoint. I guess I could adjust the bobbin case to make sure the upper is kind of in a midpoint depending on the thread. But this is all just kind of whatever I've got material. It's nothing that I'd really probably use for projects. I guess I should be more critical with the thread. Probably the needle. These are original Sears needles, so they should be pretty good quality. Eventually I'll have to buy some needles for projects. I don't know, I'm going on like 4 minutes now, 5 minutes. So be safe, stay healthy, and rescue, reuse. Hopefully if you can't reuse, recycle, like to reuse, I guess repurpose. Okay, bye now.